In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best point and shoot cameras in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. While it's not as portable as one of the compact cameras on this list, the Panasonic Lumix FZ1002 is one of the best bridge cameras we've tested, combining convenience, versatility, and comfort in a relatively affordable package. Generally speaking, bridge cameras are a good all-in-one solution for general photography and home video thanks to their built-in zoom lenses and relative portability. It has a highly intuitive menu system that makes it easy for anyone to pick it up and start shooting. Its built-in lens has a long zoom range, with a 25-400 mm focal length, full-frame equivalent, so you can zoom in on far-away subjects or take wide-angle shots or close-ups. It has a great battery life that'll last for quite a while, depending on how you use it. It can also shoot at relatively quick 10 fps to capture fast movement, and overall, it takes great images right out of the box despite having a small sensor. That said, its autofocus system struggles a bit when keeping track of moving subjects, particularly human subjects. If you're interested in video, this is a serviceable camera when shooting in 1080p, but it can only shoot 4K with a significant 1.45x crop, and its autofocus system performs poorly in 4K. Still, if you're looking for a solid and affordable camera that feels comfortable to shoot with and has a long zoom lens for a variety of photography styles, this is a great option. Number 4. If you're a vlogger looking to make the jump from a smartphone to a dedicated camera but still want something portable, the Sony ZV1 is an excellent option. This compact point-and-shoot is for vloggers, with a lightweight body that you can carry around for long periods with minimal fatigue. Its small hand grip and well-spaced controls make it comfortable to use even when holding it in a selfie position. There's even a detachable windscreen for its microphone to help cut down on wind noise when shooting outdoors. This camera's built-in lens is optically stabilized. Combined with its electronic stabilization feature, the camera does an excellent job of smoothing out camera shake when recording handheld. Its autofocus system delivers exceptional tracking performance in both FHD and 4K recording. It even has dedicated tracking modes for either human or animal subjects. In product showcase mode, the camera is capable of swapping focus from faces to objects held up within the frame, and a dedicated background defocus function instantly adjusts lens aperture from f5.6 to f1.8 or vice versa, allowing for quick swaps between a deep or shallow depth of field. Unfortunately, like most compact cameras, it can overheat during long recording sessions. Like the Sony RX 107, it uses an NPBX1 battery, which doesn't supply a very long runtime. Thankfully, the camera can be charged while in use via its USB-C port, which is handy if you want to plug into an external power source or have a mobile battery charging pack. Overall, its compact size, superb autofocus system, and wide variety of video features make it one of the best compact cameras for travel. Number 3. Looking for a pocketable travel camera? Consider the Sony RX 107. It can easily fit into a small bag or a coat pocket, and it's got a bright, tilting screen to help you shoot from different angles or take selfies. If you prefer to shoot through a viewfinder, it also has a pop-up EVF, though it's very small. The camera's built-in zoom lens has a fairly long focal length, ranging from 24 to 200 mm, full-frame equivalent, so you can zoom in on farther subjects. It can shoot at a remarkably fast 20 fps in its high-speed burst mode, so you can easily capture fast-moving subjects in busy street scenes. It has a fantastic autofocus system as well, with face and eye detection and reliable subject tracking. It takes excellent JPEG images right out of the box with a lot of dynamic range and mostly accurate colors. Unfortunately, like many compact cameras, it suffers from poor battery life and overheating issues. Thankfully, though, It supports USB charging, and you can keep using it while it charges, which is handy if you've got a portable battery pack. Its menu system is also hard to navigate because of its limited touch controls. Despite its flaws, this is still an excellent little pocket camera with a versatile set of features and unmatched portability. Number 2. Olympus TG6 is more than just a point-and-shoot. It's a type of camera known as a tough compact, meaning it's waterproof, shockproof, freeze-proof and more. It's designed to keep on kicking in pretty much any shooting scenario, much like a GoPro, but with more of a traditionally camera-shaped design. In our full review, we found that the TG6 is still pretty much the best tough compact you can buy. Its optical zoom lens puts it ahead of many other similarly spec'd cameras, and is also something GoPros don't have, with a 25-100 mm equivalent range that is excellent for a wide range of subjects and perspectives. We also appreciated the fact that it goes to a generous maximum aperture of f2, which opens up options in low light. Great if you plan to keep shooting well into the evening. The thing to be aware of, and this is a consistent issue across tough compacts and action cameras, is the fact that the TG6 uses a relatively small sensor. Its one 2.3-inch type sensor is about the same size as you get in most smartphones, so you're not going to see a huge upgrade in image quality and dynamic range compared to your phone. Number 1. Best point-and-shoot camera that we've tested is the Fujifilm X100V. This high-end point-shoot features the same 26.1 MP sensor found on Fujifilm's range of interchangeable lens cameras, like the Fujifilm X Pro 3, yielding excellent out-the-box image quality. Like the X Pro 3, it uses a hybrid viewfinder that you can toggle between a high-resolution EVF that allows you to preview exposure adjustments in real time, and an optical rangefinder that provides an unfiltered view of your subject. While this camera is larger than most small sensor compacts, it's still very portable, and it feels impressively well built. Its built-in prime lens has a full-frame equivalent focal length of 35 mm, which is well suited to capturing a variety of subjects. It also features a built-in 4-stop ND filter that allows you to shoot at slower shutter speeds or wider apertures in brighter environments with less risk of overexposing your image. Its autofocus system also does a good job of tracking moving subjects. Unfortunately, this camera doesn't have any in-body stabilization feature, which could make it easier to snap images at slower shutter speeds. In addition, while this camera does have relatively advanced video recording capabilities, including 10-bit 4:2 to recording via HDMI, it can quickly overheat, though this isn't rare for compact cameras. Still, it's a fantastic option if you're looking for a camera that combines retro aesthetics with the ease of use of a modern mirrorless system. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.